Alright, hello, my wonderful students. This is part 6 of Foldable number 1. For this one it's actually kind of a fun one for me, and hopefully for you guys. We have x to the 4th plus 13x squared plus 36 equals 0. So it's already set to 0. This one's a little bit, it's not really tricky, but it kind of has, since it's even, to the 4th, to the 2nd, and then nothing. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take the middle one. And this only works if you have a variable that's like x squared, and then it's like x to the 4th. So it's x squared squared works here, and then there's no variable there, so it's 1. It only really works for that. So it could be x to the 6th and then x cubed, or x to the 8th and then x to the 4th for this to work. But what you do is you take this one here, which is our x squared, and you set it equal to a. And then wherever you have an x squared, you substitute a. So this one we have x squared squared, so this will actually be a squared. So what I basically said was, this is basically x squared squared. It'd be x to the 4th power. So we substitute this x squared here, and we get a squared. Then we bring out this plus 13 x squared equals a, so a plus 36 equals 0. And now this is much easier of a problem to work with. Go ahead, I think this will work here when we do our, will it work? Let's see. Get our, this, multiply to equal 36, add to equal 13. Alright, it's 1 times 36, 2 times 18, that will not work. 3 times 12 gives us 15, no. 4 times 9, and that's it. So we do our 4 times our 9, and then we get our thing. So once again we get a plus 4 times a plus 9. But now what we're going to do is we're going to substitute this back in. So now we have x squared plus 4 and x squared plus 9. We're going to go ahead here and solve each one. We have x squared plus 4 equals 0, because it's still equal to 0 here. So we subtract 4 to both sides. We get x squared is equal to negative 4. Square root, x is equal to 2i. Then we're going to do the next one in red. We have x squared plus 9 equals 0, minus 9 to both sides. X squared is equal to negative 9. Square root, x is equal to 3i, because square root of 9, 3. Square root of negative, I. And our zeros here would be, let's go and do it in red. We have x is equal to 2i, multiplicity 2, and 3i, multiplicity 2 as well, because they were both squared.